Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Claude Code to build AI apps that can actually make you money even if you are not a coding expert. So make sure that you stick around because this can be your next side hustle. First of all, you need to pick a profitable idea. Think productivity tools, resume writers, AI blog generators, or niche chatbots. These are in demand and easy to monetize. Now you need to launch Claude Code and start typing something like this. You will have to type help me build a basic web app that after that in this particular bracket you need to basically enter the idea. So for example, I want to make resume writer, so I'm going to be typing it over here, then hit enter. So Claude will instantly generate the backend logic in Python or Node.js plus a simple front end using HTML or React. If it doesn't, you will have to simply tell it to do it, and you can ask it to fix the bugs and features, and even connect to the APIs like Stripe for the payments and Notion for data storage. You need to deploy with the platforms like Replit or Render, and all of these Claude can walk you through. Add a clean landing page and launch a product hunt or Gumroad, and you can start charging users either a one-time fee or the subscription for your application. And that's it, from the idea to money making AI app, all powered by Claude Code. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.